In this video, you will learn how to find the frequency and type of your current RAM on an Ubuntu system. This is helpful if you want to upgrade your memory or just check your hardware details. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T at the same time. Now, type the following command: sudo dmidecode. Type memory, press enter. It will ask for your password. Type your password and press enter again. You will now see a lot of information about your system's memory. Scroll through the output. Look for sections that start with memory device. Each one shows details about a RAM stick. Under each memory device section, find the line that says type. This tells you the kind of RAM you have, such as DDR4 or DDR3. Now, look for the line that says speed. This shows the speed of your RAM, usually in megahertz. For example, it may say 2666 MHz or 3200 MHz. You can also check the line that says configured clock speed. That shows the actual speed your system is using. That's it. Now, you know how to find both the type and frequency of your RAM on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.